Let's jump right in. If you've been tracking the intersection of AI and education lately, you already know we are sitting right at a tipping point. Today, we're diving into an explainer on AI Saathi AgentOS. This is an enterprise solution that's basically aiming to completely rewire how schools operate and how we orchestrate the modern classroom.
You know the classic tug of war at the heart of education, right? On one side, we desperately want to maximize student success and well-being. But on the other, there's this ever-expanding mountain of administrative work crushing our teachers. It's a massive gap, and figuring out a systematic, reliable way to bridge that gap, well, that's exactly what this platform is built to tackle. Here's our roadmap for this explainer. We'll start with the classroom challenge, then enter AI Saathi AgentOS, look at reducing administrative workloads, verifying curriculum grounding, automating student interventions, and wrap up with empowering the future.
All right, Section 1, the classroom challenge and bridging the gap. So look at the architecture of modern education. There's this constant, exhausting friction between administrative oversight and actual pupil outcomes. Think about it. Every single hour a teacher spends manually cross-referencing state standards or crunching attendance data, that's an hour literally stolen from one-on-one mentorship and dynamic teaching. The source material points to this exact gap as the ultimate bottleneck. We simply have to clear it before any real educational innovation can happen.
Moving on to Section 2. Enter AI Saathi AgentOS, the enterprise solution.
Coming out of the Google for Startups AI Agents Challenge, the platform's interface is incredibly clean and structured. It's obvious right away this isn't some flashy toy. It's a deeply vetted tool. It actually offers two distinct portals. There's a Sandbox environment for educators to safely experiment, and a dedicated institutional dashboard designed for top-down administration. It's built from the ground up as a structural, foundational tool for entire schools.
A core concept driving all of this is Gemini multi-agent orchestration. The platform describes itself as a high-fidelity, enterprise-ready multi-agent system. But what does that actually mean in plain English? Basically, it's a professional-grade network of different AI agents that work together flawlessly under a single operating system. So instead of forcing one AI model to do absolutely everything, and probably doing it poorly, multiple specialized AI agents are orchestrated to handle distinct, complex tasks at the exact same time without breaking a sweat. The whole system rests on three core pillars. It promises to drastically reduce teacher administrative workloads, verify curriculum grounding, and automate targeted student interventions. It's a very focused, three-pronged attack on classroom inefficiency. Let's actually pop the hood and see how each of these pillars plays out in practice. Section 3. Reducing administrative workloads to reclaim teacher time.
The number one goal here is to aggressively cut down on the administrative busywork that bogs down today's educators. By leaning into that multi-agent system we just talked about, a teacher can basically drop a massive stack of digital assignments into the OS. From there, specialized agents securely take over the grading logistics and data entry in the background, completely hands-off. Reclaiming that time is hands down the highest leverage way to improve any school. When the AI is handling the paperwork, the teacher actually gets to go back to teaching.
Let's hit Section 4. Verifying curriculum grounding to ensure accuracy. Now, this directly tackles one of the biggest anxieties around AI in education: hallucinations and wildly off-topic information. By orchestrating these highly specialized agents, the system acts as a hyper-vigilant safeguard. It makes sure that if an AI agent is helping draft a biology lesson plan, it is strictly cross-referencing the school's officially approved textbooks and state standards. It keeps the whole technology stack completely on the rails and firmly rooted in verified, accurate curriculum. No rogue AI making up facts here.
Section 5. Automating student interventions for targeted help. Honestly, this might be the most exciting pillar when it comes to actual student outcomes. Because the operating system is constantly orchestrating data between the curriculum and the grading tools, it spots patterns instantly. See a student's reading comprehension scores start slipping across two entirely different subjects. The system catches that immediately. The teacher doesn't have to manually dig through 5 different spreadsheets to find the trend. The OS flags the issue and can automatically suggest highly personalized study materials to get that student back on track before they slip through the cracks. It's literally like having a dedicated data analyst for every single pupil.
And finally, Section 6, empowering the future and next steps.
The really cool part is that this platform isn't just theoretical. It is ready for exploration right now. It features that sandbox area we mentioned, which lets educators poke around and test the agents, completely risk-free without touching real student data. And right alongside it is the institutional dashboard for actual full-scale deployment. The beauty of this setup is that it's designed to be adopted at whatever pace an institution is comfortable with. You could roll it out in a single pilot classroom or deploy it across an entire district. The infrastructure is there for both. I want to wrap up this explainer by leaving you with one really provocative question to chew on. What could teachers actually accomplish if administrative tasks were fully orchestrated by an AI operating system? Just imagine the ceiling for pupil outcomes if educators could focus 100% of their energy, passion, and expertise purely on teaching. No paperwork, no data entry. AI Saathi AgentOS is proposing a reality where that isn't just some pipe dream, but a structural guarantee. It is an absolutely fascinating look at the future of the classroom and definitely one to watch.